Imagine waking up every day feeling completely refreshed, with boundless energy and laser-sharp focus. What if I told you the key to unlocking your highest potential in business, relationships, and personal growth lies in the simple, yet often overlooked, practice of optimizing your sleep? Yes, you heard that right. Sleep. It's the secret weapon of the most successful individuals, yet so many of us are sabotaging our own progress by not getting the sleep we truly need. In today's video, we'll uncover how to sleep max and harness the full power of sleep to perform at your peak. Stick with me. This is going to change the way you look at bedtime forever. Let's face it, many of us are running on empty. Whether it's late-night work sessions, scrolling through social media, or the constant pressure to hustle 24/7, we've all been guilty of sacrificing sleep to get ahead. But here's the truth. This sleep deprivation isn't just leaving you groggy, it's eroding your productivity, focus, and mental clarity. In fact, research shows that just one night of poor sleep can significantly reduce your ability to make wise decisions, which means you're actually losing the very thing that could make you successful: your mental sharpness. Think about it. How many times have you made a rash financial decision after a sleepless night? Or found yourself distracted and unmotivated during an important task? It's not just a coincidence. Sleep is the foundation of your mental and physical performance, and without it, your potential is limited. Quick question. Raise your hand if you've ever tried to power through a day on 4 hours of sleep. I see you. Don't worry, we've all been there. But here's the thing, your body and brain are like a high-performance sports car. Would you expect to drive your Ferrari without fueling it properly? Exactly. Let's dive into how you can fuel your body with the right amount of sleep to unlock your highest potential. Step 1. Sleep schedule. Consistency. The first step in optimizing your sleep is consistency. And no, I don't mean just sleeping 8 hours every night. It's about setting a regular sleep schedule. Our bodies love routine. When you go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, you're helping your body's internal clock function at its best. Think of it like this. Your brain is a computer, and your circadian rhythm is its operating system. Disrupt that system, and it's like trying to run a high-speed application on a broken laptop. Make it your goal to wake up and go to sleep within the same 30-minute window every day, even on weekends. This consistency will give you deeper, more restorative sleep and help you start each day with a sense of vitality and focus. Step 2. Creating the perfect sleep environment. Now that we've got consistency down, let's talk about the environment. You wouldn't want to work in a cluttered, noisy, and distracting place, right? So why would you want to sleep in one? Dim the lights, lower the temperature, and eliminate distractions like your phone or TV. Think of your bedroom as a sanctuary for your mind to rest. And here's a bonus tip. Your mattress and pillows matter more than you think. Investing in quality sleep products isn't just about comfort, it's about investing in your future success. Don't skimp on this. Step 3. The power of pre-sleep rituals. Okay, now that your schedule and environment are in check, let's talk about winding down. Pre-sleep rituals are a game changer. About 30 minutes before bed, start unplugging, literally. No more scrolling through Instagram or binge-watching Netflix episodes. Instead, engage in activities that calm your mind. Read a book, meditate, or even take a warm bath. These small actions signal to your brain that it's time to switch off and recharge. Think of these rituals as the final step before entering sleep-maxing mode. And let me tell you, this will make all the difference in the quality of your rest. Wait. Did you know that even something as simple as listening to calming music can help trigger deep sleep? If you're still stuck in the sleep is for the weak mindset, this is your wake-up call. Sleep is your unfair advantage, and I'll show you how to leverage it to outpace the competition. Now let's talk about what happens when you truly master your sleep. Once you optimize your sleep habits, something magical happens. You start to see results in every area of your life. Imagine waking up feeling motivated, ready to tackle the day ahead, and actually having the energy to execute on your goals. Imagine having the mental clarity to make smarter, faster decisions that propel you towards success. That's the power of sleep maxing. And this is just the beginning. In our next video, we're going to dive deeper into another life-changing strategy, how to maximize your energy throughout the day to stay productive and reach your goals faster. You won't want to miss it. If you're serious about optimizing your life, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. If you're ready to continue unlocking your potential, click on the next video about time management hacks right here. Remember, it all starts with getting your sleep right, because peak performance doesn't just happen. It's engineered.